In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see layers in Canva, a handy tool that can significantly enhance your design experience by giving you better control over various elements in your project. Understanding how layers work can make a big difference, especially if you're dealing with complex graphics. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process and explore how you can efficiently manage layers in Canva. First, you need to start by selecting the element you want to work with in your Canva design. This can be any object on your canvas, whether it's a text box, an image, or a shape. Once you've identified the element you want to focus on, simply right-click on it. This action opens up a context menu that provides a range of options for editing your design. Right-clicking is a crucial step as it sets the stage for us to access the layers function in Canva. After you right-click on your selected element, the next step involves hovering your cursor over the layer option within this context menu. Now this is where things get interesting. By hovering over this option, you're essentially telling Canva that you want to manage the layering of your elements. It's important to note that layers in design software like Canva help you stack elements on top of one another, much like arranging sheets of paper on a desk. This offers more control over what appears at the front and what stays at the back, making your design workflow much more organized. Once you hover over the layer option, you'll see another menu pop up. From here, look for the Show Layers feature and give it a click. By doing this, you're activating Canva's layer management tool, allowing you to see all the different elements in your current design, laid out in their hierarchical stack order. It's like pulling back the curtain to reveal the behind-the-scenes workings of your design. This function is particularly helpful when you're working on multifaceted projects with multiple overlapping elements. Understanding how to manage layers effectively provides you with greater creative freedom. You can select, drag and rearrange these layers to bring forward elements that need emphasis or push back those that should be in the background. This added visibility and control makes fine-tuning your designs much easier and more intuitive. There you have it, a quick and easy method to manage layer visibility in Canva. Mastering this feature will no doubt help streamline your workflow and add a professional touch to your designs. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to explore this feature further in your next Canva project. Happy designing!